Hi, I'm Judith. I did the Data Science Bootcamp batch 627. So what I did before the Wagon was I was a consultant at KPMG for digital process excellence, which means that we automated processes but then using third-party tools. And so I really liked the processing part, but I wanted to create my own tools. So that's why I wanted to become a programmer myself. So I did the bootcamp because I really wanted to change my career. I wanted to stop being a consultant and give advice and really get into the code. So I really wanted to become a programmer and build things myself. So I did the bootcamp in April, and I decided to do it because I wanted to learn everything, not just how to do Python, but do the whole fundamentals. So from start to finish, how to build a complete tool. So for me, the favorite thing about Wagon is really the community. So during the bootcamp, you have a lot of people that you can work with, but also after the bootcamp, you have this whole scala of alumni that you can interact with. And I actually meet so many new people even after the bootcamp, being a teaching assistant, and we can spread new ideas and learn a lot from each other and even work together. So the data science course is pretty intensive because you're working every day on some new topic, and especially because you're also working on challenges, you make it your own very quickly. And because you're also working with buddies and on projects, you also really learn how you would do it in the real world. So for me, Wagon in 3 words would be intense, very excited, and also a lot of fun. So now that I graduated the bootcamp, actually I became a teaching assistant for the upcoming bootcamp, so I'm able to learn even more and to meet even more people. But also I'm starting my own company in data science and creating mobile apps.